Part of the reason you want to do a high efficiency nozzle is because they have larger water droplets. That larger droplet is heavier, so it's less likely to get drifted in the wind and not have any runoff. On your spray heads, there are two types of threads. Essentially, one of the threads goes inside the pipe and one goes on the outside of the pipe. You also are going to want to make sure you have a tool for adjusting the spray pattern. Take the flag out, set to the side, use my little tool, go ahead and pull it on up. Okay. And unfortunately what happens sometimes is your hand may get a little fatigued or a little wet, and you're like, uh-oh, now what do you do? So what you do is you take the nozzle that you're putting in there or you took on out, you screw it in kind of the best that you can, take a little screwdriver, very thin head, kind of get it in there, lift it on up, and then you can pull it right back out, and then you can see, and then you can put your threads in the rest of the way. And then when you turn your sprinklers on, that's when we're going to use a little tool. This one uses this tool. Some use a little flathead screwdriver with other adjustments to make sure that my spray is actually on the grass, not on the hardscape. You're also going to think of what spray pattern. Is it a 90 degree, or is it a 180, or is it even a larger 270? On these high efficiency nozzles, there's two adjustments. So the first one, put the little teeth on the gear here, and go like that, and you can see right there that it adjusts that radius quite a bit. So I'm going to open it back up. And then the other one is how far do you want it going out. So if I turn down this way, you can see that it really reduces spray, get a bigger droplet. So those are the only two adjustments that you need. Well, there you have it. Now you too can change out your nozzles to high efficiency ones. East Bay Mud has lots of incentives and tips on our website. So it's eastbaymud.com/watersmart. So thanks for tuning on in and have a fun time changing out your nozzles.